All fans are off. All you can hear is the pump noise. My phone camera doesn't pick it up super well, but in person it's even more extreme. This is currently unbalanced. This is it going to extreme. And then this is it on quiet. It's even weird sort of crackling noises whenever you put it on quiet. You can still hear the pump noise. It doesn't get picked up really well on the phone camera, on the microphones for my phone, but it's still quite obvious in person. Yeah, it's like this sort of pops and crackles. I've lifted up the loop, moved my case around in case there was any sort of air bubbles in there, but it hasn't changed one bit. It's yeah, it's the loudest thing in my PC at idle. It's honestly ridiculous, just running it at the balance setting that it is now again.